This is the very short type questions for you for inverse trigonometry functions. First take this screenshot of these 19 problems, then I will tell you another questions, give you another questions. Take this screenshot. Okay. Now look at the first question. A is equal to tan inverse x. So tan A is equal to x. Sin 2a is equal to formula 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. That is after putting the value of tan a x, we get 2x by 1 plus x square. Second bit. This is the answer. Second bit, we know sin inverse x cos inverse x pi by 2 for x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So putting the value of sin inverse x pi by 5 plus cos inverse x as it is equal to pi by 2, then find cos inverse x is equal to 3 pi by 10. Okay. Third bit, tan inverse 2 pi by 3 is equal to what? Tan inverse 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. 2 into cos 60 is equal to half. 2 into half, 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by x 1 minus xy. When we put the value of x plus y and xy, it gives 4 by 0. Actually, tan inverse 4 by 0 means tan inverse undefined, whose values lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, not minus pi by 2, not pi by 2. But here we have to write pi by 2. As we add two values of sin inverse x. Okay, we add two values of sin inverse x, tan inverse x, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So its ultimate answer is pi by 2. Okay. Look at this problem B. Cot inverse 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. You can do it in two ways, and this is your traditional way, where apply tan inverse 2, cot inverse 2, tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Applying tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, it becomes tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Then solving, you get the tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4. But this is the tricky way. This is put cot inverse as it is, and this is 3. 1 plus 2 into 1, and numerator 2 minus 1, it becomes cot inverse to this as it is. Now tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Apply this formula. This is cot inverse x plus tan inverse x pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So it is what? Pi by 4. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 2 pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2, and sin inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3, if you will write it as 2 pi by 3, then it is wrong, because it doesn't lie in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now look at this problem. This is very important problem. Sin inverse sin x is equal to sin inverse sin x. Now this is sin inverse x by 5 plus cos inverse it is 5 by 4. So for this cos inverse 5 by 4, the result is pi by 2. That's why I am doing what? Look at me. If it is as it is cosec inverse 5 by 4, and the answer is pi by 2, it is given sin inverse, so you have to put it cos inverse. As we know, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So I am doing this is doing the triangle, and cosec theta is h by p. So this is b is what? 3. So it is cos inverse 3 by 5. Now sin inverse jitna, cos inverse utna pi by 2. So x is 3. It is very easy way to solve this problem. Now 8th bit, sin tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. It is given. It is given tan inverse 1 by x. I am taking it cot inverse x. Now tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 is what? 1. Okay. Now look at this problem. It is a very typical problem. Ix. Now you know 1 plus sin x. Here there 1 minus sin x root over 1 plus sin x root over. So 1 plus sin x, you know 1 in place of 1 I am writing cos square xy2 plus sin square xy2, and in place of sin x I am writing 2 sin xy2 into cos xy. So it becomes cos xy2 plus sin xy2 whole square. 1 plus sin x root over it is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and 1 minus sin x root over it is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now in the question it is given that cot inverse 1 minus sin x plus 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x root over by 1 plus sin x root over. So in place of 1 minus sin x root over, I am writing cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In place of 1 plus sin x root over, I am writing cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Similarly, I am doing the denominator part. After solving it, it becomes cot inverse minus cot x by 2. And you know the formula cot inverse minus x is what? Cot inverse minus x is the formula pi minus cot inverse x. So here in place of x it is written cot x by 2, pi minus cot inverse cot x by 2, it is x by 2, so pi minus x by 2, okay. This x is very important question for your exam point of view. Now 2 sin inverse x, you should not apply the formula 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square root over. I have not given you the conditions as I told previously that if I will give you the conditions after discussing the short questions, I will give you the conditions, but here you have to remember only for short question 1 mark will come. This is the formula of 2 sin inverse x. When x lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2, the value is this. When x lies between 1 by root 2 to 1, the value is pi minus sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square root over. When x lies minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2, this is minus pi minus sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square. I am also making a number line here. Here minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Here it is 1 by root 2 to 1. And according to the above condition, when x lies between minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2, the value is minus pi minus sin inverse this much. When it lies minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2, the value is sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square root over. When 1 by root 2 to 1, it is pi minus sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square root over. Now, you know 1 by root 2 is multiplying root 2 above denominator, it is what? 1.414 by 2, it is nearly equal to 0.7, and this is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means it is 0.8. So, 0.8 must lie between 0.7 to 0.7 to 1. So, apply this formula here. Pi minus sin inverse 2x. It is important. Pi minus sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square root over. So pi minus sin inverse 2 into 4 by 5 into this much plus this, it will give you sin inverse 2x minus 24 by 25 plus sin inverse 24 by 25, cancel, it gives you pi. Okay. Now I am explaining these conditions with another example. Suppose 2 sin inverse root 3 by 2. Exact value sin inverse root 3 by 2 is what? Pi by 3, and 2 into pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. If I will apply the formula 2 sin inverse x, then it will become sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square root over. It becomes what? It becomes root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Now it gives you, really it is 2 pi by 3, but if you will put the formula, you will get, if you will put the simple formula, then you will get the answer 2 pi by 3. But look at this condition. What is condition? Now root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is what? Root 3 by 2 lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1. Root 2 to 1. Why? Because root 3 by 2 is 0.85 and 1 by root 2 is 0.7. And root 0.85 within 1 by root 2 to what? 1. So I am applying the formula as it is inside it. So I am applying this formula. This formula as 2 sin inverse x. If this x lies between 1 by root 2 to 1, 1 by root 2 to 1, the formula is pi minus sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square, which will give you 2 pi by 3, which is our correct answer. So this formula is very useful only for short questions. When values are given, then it is useful. And short questions like 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, or maximum 3 to 4 marks. Sometimes it will come. Okay, look at this. Now theta is equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse x minus tan inverse x, and it is given x is greater than or equal to 0. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is cot inverse x. If theta is equal to cot inverse x, cot theta is equal to x, as given x greater than or equal to 0, and it asks us to find the minimum interval, or find the interval in which theta lies. X greater than or equal to 0, cos theta greater than or equal to 0, as cot theta greater than or equal to 0. So theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Or you can directly also write as x greater than or equal to 0, the value of cot inverse x is what? The value of cot inverse x is in between 0 to pi. As it is positive, so so theta lies between, as it is positive, theta lies between 0 to what? Pi by 2. Okay. Now look at the x double I bit. Sec square tan inverse 2 cosec square cot inverse 3. मैं दोनों को टोपी लगा दिया, मीन्स थीटा का टोपी. क्या होगा? सेक स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस टैन स्क्वायर थीटा. इसे टोपी लगा दिया, उसको कॉट कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा, फिर टोपी उतरा दिया. क्या? 1 प्लस टैन, दिस इज टैन इनवर्स 2 का होल स्क्वायर, मीन्स टैन स्क्वायर थीटा मीन्स टैन थीटा का होल स्क्वायर. टैन इनवर्स 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 the square. Similarly 1 plus 3 the square, it gives you 15. Okay. Now sin I am doing x triple I. Sin inverse x is x. Sin x into cosec x1. Where it comes? Sin inverse 1 by x into cosec inverse x. It is just cosec inverse x into cosec inverse x. So question doesn't arise if it is equal to 1. So it is false. Now look at xib. It is what? Cos inverse 4 by 3, tan inverse 2 by 3. Convert it to tan inverse. Take the triangle. Cosec theta is b by h. So it is b, it is h, and it is clearly 3. Take to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Convert it to the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is the formula, and you get at the point tan inverse 17 by 6, which is true. So it is answer is what? True. Next, look at xb. Cot inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse minus 3 by 4. As it is written cot inverse 3 minus 3 by 4. So I am converting it to cot inverse. It becomes cot inverse 3 by 4. Now cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. So tan inverse 3 by 4, cot inverse 3 by 4, they cancel, and the answer is what? Pi. xvi. And the answer is what? Sec inverse half plus cosec inverse half is equal to pi by 2. And we know sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. For x does not belong to minus 1 to 1. X belongs to all real number except this. I have told you in my theory, for sin inverse x, cosec inverse x belongs to minus 1 to 1. That is कुछ होता है. For tan inverse x, cot inverse x, which result after addition gives you pi by 2. सब कुछ होता है, x belongs to. यहाँ सब कुछ होता है लेकिन कुछ नहीं होता है. ये it lies half and half lies. This half lies between minus 1 to 1. But sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, pi by 2. For x doesn't lie between minus 1 to 1. Okay, so this is false. Now sec inverse minus x is pi minus sec inverse 7 by 5. Pi minus cos inverse 5 by 7. So it is true, which is given in x v double I, pi minus cos inverse 5 by 3. Next, v x 8th bit and 18th bit and 19th bit. These two are very important for your board examinations. Now for this I am giving one example. As you know, tan inverse tan x is equal to x, but x belongs to minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So here what? Tan inverse tan 5 pi by 6. If anyone will ask you tan inverse tan 5 5 pi by 6, which is 150 degree. Is it 5 pi by 6? No, it is not 5 pi by 6, as it does not belong to minus pi by 2 or pi by 2. Now, what you have to do? You have to find the value of tan inverse 5 pi by 6, which is minus 1 by root 3. Tan inverse minus 1 by root 3 is minus pi by 6. So, where this minus pi by 6 comes, we have just subtract pi to 5 pi by 6. So, tan inverse tan 3. Similarly, the answer, as it is 5 pi by 6 minus pi is the answer. Similarly, here 3 minus pi is the answer. Okay. Now, look at xix. Principal value of tan inverse tan x. We know tan inverse tan x is equal to x, where x belongs to minus pi to pi 2. Now tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. It is false, as it doesn't lie between minus pi to pi by 2. Now tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4, I am writing tan inverse, the value of tan 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4. But it is given what? It is given 3 pi by 4, which is false. I am writing it is false. Now cot inverse minus x, cot inverse minus root 3, it is the value is 5 pi by 6, which is in quadrant 2, so it is true. Now 3 tan inverse x has 3 formula. You have to remember by this table, otherwise you can go and see the book. There are I am making in one line, number line, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. When on this left, when x less than minus 1 by root 3, the answer must be negative plus tan inverse this. When it lies on minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, then it is the normal formula. When it is go to right side, it is pi plus that. You have to remember it. Now tan inverse 3, this 3 is what? This 3 is greater than 1 by root 3. So it lies on this side, more than root 3, it lies on this side. So you have to apply that formula, tan inverse pi plus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square, it will become this. It is not 3 tan inverse 3, as it is given tan inverse 9 by 13. It is not true. It is pi plus tan inverse 9 by 13. It is very important for your point examination point of view. Okay. With condition, I will give the conditions on the last. At last of this video, I will give you a picture for conditions. Look at the conditions. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Without condition, it is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. But with condition, it has 3 things. First, xy less than 1. Xy less than 1. Next thing, xy greater than 1. Xy greater than 1 is divided in 2 parts. Whether both are positive or both are negative. When both are positive, it is pi plus tan inverse this. X plus y by 1 minus xy. When both are negative, minus pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. 2 into 3 is, it is x, it is y. We have to see in the formula xy greater than 1 or xy less than 1. Here 2 into 3 is what? 15, which is greater than 1. Again greater than 1, and the condition 2 positive, 3 positive, both x, y are positive. So applying this formula, it becomes pi plus tan inverse 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3, 1 minus 6. Result is pi minus tan inverse 1, that is tan inverse, that is what? 3 pi by 4. And the result is, and it is written tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3, it is minus pi by 4, which is clearly wrong. Why it is clearly wrong? Look at here, tan inverse 2 means here 2 is a positive, the value is value of tan inverse 2 lies between 0 to pi by 2, and the value of tan inverse 3 lies between 0 to pi by 2. If both will add, it will not give a result, negative result. It will give you a positive result, that is 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now I am taking the last, xxbi, take that screenshot also. Xx where tan inverse cot x is equal to 2x, so cot x is equal to tan 2x. Apply the formula 2 tan x by 1 minus x square. Cross multiply it. It gives you 3 tan square x. Tan x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. and tan xl minus 1 by root 3 or tan x is 1 by root 3, x is equal to minus pi by 6 or plus pi by 6. तापर कंडीशन से देखे दो काय केते मिनिट गला
20 मिनिट
जस्ट एटा गोटे मिनिट जीवा
कोई कोई की देखेबे
किछ ना डायरेक्ट
ना आगे टे कोई जंदरा कोनटा
एमती रहले भल कथा जे बोध
आ टिके पचको सर अपुटको आ टिके पचको हां बे ठीक अछि टिके हां टिके बस कोई दियो दागेटा कोनटा
these are the
रेकॉर्ड कर
these are the formulas which I have told you earlier. These are the conditions. You should take the screenshot of this list and take and write it in your copy. I am giving it in this. This is the list which you can take the screenshot and write in your formula. Okay. Okay. Now I have given the conditions 2 cos inverse x, then 3 sin inverse x with the number line, 3 cos inverse x with number line, 3 tan inverse x with number line, 2 tan inverse x in number line, 2 tan inverse x in number line, and there are 3 formulas for 2 tan inverse x, then 2 sin inverse x formula with number line. Okay.